In a world where the value of a college degree is often emphasized as the primary path to success, the notion of becoming a millionaire without one can seem far-fetched. However, the reality is that many self-made millionaires have defied this conventional wisdom. From tech moguls like Steve Jobs and Mark Zuckerberg to entrepreneurial icons like Richard Branson, these individuals have proven that a college degree is not a prerequisite for achieving immense financial success. The journey to becoming a millionaire without a degree is about leveraging your unique strengths, continuously learning, and seizing opportunities. It requires a blend of passion, determination, and strategic thinking. In today's digital age, the barriers to acquiring knowledge and starting a business have significantly lowered, making it more feasible than ever to carve out your path to wealth. This video will guide you through the essential steps to reach millionaire status without the traditional college route. We will explore how to identify and harness your passions, invest in self-education, build a lucrative side hustle, network effectively, and manage your finances wisely. Each section is designed to provide practical advice and actionable tips, backed by real-life examples of individuals who have successfully walked this path. So, if you're ready to challenge the status quo and take control of your financial future, grab a pen and paper, watch and learn. Whether you're just starting or looking to pivot from your current career, this comprehensive guide will equip you with the tools and mindset needed to become a millionaire without a degree. Your journey to financial freedom begins now. The first step on the path to becoming a millionaire without a degree is identifying your passion and strengths. Passion is the fuel that drives persistence and motivation, essential traits for any successful entrepreneur or investor. When you are passionate about your work, it doesn't feel like work, and you're more likely to put in the long hours and hard effort required to achieve your goals. Consider Steve Jobs, who dropped out of college to follow his passion for technology and design, ultimately co-founding Apple. His unwavering passion for innovation propelled him to revolutionize the tech industry. Similarly, identifying what you love doing can lead you to discover unique opportunities and niches that others may overlook. Finding your strengths is equally important. This involves a deep self-assessment to understand what you are naturally good at. Reflect on your past experiences and identify activities or tasks where you excelled. You can also seek feedback from friends, family, or colleagues who can provide an objective view of your capabilities. Tools like personality assessments and strengths inventories can also offer valuable insights. Once you have a clear understanding of your passions and strengths, the next step is to align them with potential business or career opportunities. Look for areas where your passions meet market demand. This intersection is where you will find the most rewarding and lucrative opportunities. By focusing on what you love and what you're good at, you lay a strong foundation for building a successful and fulfilling career. This alignment will keep you motivated through challenges and drive you towards achieving millionaire status without the need for a college degree. In this journey, self-education and continuous skill improvement are paramount. The traditional college path is just one of many ways to acquire knowledge and skills. In today's digital age, numerous resources are available to help you learn and grow independently. Continuous learning is a key factor in achieving success. The world is rapidly changing, and staying ahead requires a commitment to lifelong learning. Embrace a mindset that prioritizes growth and curiosity. Take advantage of the wealth of information available online through platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Khan Academy. These platforms offer courses on a wide range of topics, often taught by industry experts, at a fraction of the cost of traditional education. Reading is another powerful tool for self-education. Books, articles, and blogs written by successful entrepreneurs and thought leaders can provide valuable insights and strategies. Make a habit of reading daily to stay informed about industry trends and to gain new perspectives. Additionally, listening to podcasts and watching educational videos on YouTube can be an effective way to learn on the go. Mentorship is also crucial in self-education. Seek out mentors who have achieved the success you aspire to. Their guidance and experience can help you navigate challenges and make informed decisions. Networking events, online communities, and social media platforms like LinkedIn can connect you with potential mentors. Setting clear learning goals is essential. Identify the skills you need to develop and create a plan to acquire them. Break down your goals into manageable steps and track your progress regularly. By committing to self-education and continuously improving your skills, you position yourself for success. This proactive approach to learning will equip you with the knowledge and expertise needed to seize opportunities and build wealth, all without the need for a traditional college degree. Starting a side hustle is a crucial step on the path to becoming a millionaire without a degree. A side hustle not only provides an additional income stream but also serves as a testing ground for your entrepreneurial ideas and skills. Many successful millionaires started small, using their side hustles as a launchpad for larger ventures. First, identify a side hustle that aligns with your passions and strengths. This could be anything from freelance writing, graphic design, and online tutoring to starting an e-commerce store or offering consulting services. The key is to find something that you enjoy and are good at, which also has the potential to generate income. Next, conduct market research to understand the demand for your product or service. Look at your competition, identify your target audience, and determine what sets you apart. This information will help you tailor your offerings to meet market needs and stand out in a crowded space. Creating a business plan is an essential guide. Outline your goals, strategies, and financial projections. This plan will serve as a roadmap for your side hustle, helping you stay focused and organized. It doesn't have to be overly complex, but having a clear direction is crucial for success. Start small and scale up gradually. Begin by offering your services to friends, family, or through platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Etsy. As you gain experience and build a customer base, reinvest your earnings into improving and expanding your business. This could involve marketing, upgrading your equipment, or even hiring additional help. Lastly, manage your time effectively. Balancing a side hustle with other responsibilities requires discipline and good time management skills. Set aside specific hours for your side hustle and stick to your schedule. By starting a side hustle, you create additional income and gain valuable entrepreneurial experience. This practical knowledge will be instrumental as you work towards achieving millionaire status. Networking and building connections are pivotal components in the journey to becoming a millionaire without a degree. The power of a robust network cannot be underestimated. It can open doors to opportunities, provide valuable advice, and connect you with potential partners, clients, and investors. Firstly, understand that networking is about building genuine relationships rather than just collecting contacts. Approach networking with a mindset of giving and providing value, rather than just seeking help. When you help others, they are more likely to reciprocate. Attend industry events, seminars, workshops, and conferences relevant to your field. These gatherings are prime opportunities to meet like-minded individuals and industry leaders. Engage in conversations, exchange contact information, and follow up with the people you meet. Use social platforms like LinkedIn to stay connected and share your professional journey. Online communities and forums are also valuable resources for networking. Platforms such as Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific forums allow you to connect with professionals globally. Participate in discussions, share your knowledge, and seek advice from experienced individuals. Having a mentor can significantly accelerate your path to success. Mentors provide guidance, support, and valuable insights based on their experience. Reach out to potential mentors through networking events, social media, or mutual connections. Be respectful of their time and show genuine interest in learning from them. Networking is not just about professional gain, it's also about personal growth. Surrounding yourself with ambitious, successful individuals can inspire and motivate you. These connections can provide new perspectives, challenge your thinking, and support you through challenges. Effective networking is a blend of building genuine relationships, offering value, and seeking guidance. By cultivating a strong network, you can access resources, opportunities, and support that will be instrumental in your journey to becoming a millionaire without a degree. Smart financial management and strategic investments are crucial steps on this journey. Properly managing your finances allows you to save and invest effectively, creating multiple streams of income and building wealth over time. First, develop a solid understanding of personal finance. Educate yourself on budgeting, saving, debt management, and investment strategies. There are countless resources available, including books, online courses, podcasts, and blogs dedicated to financial literacy. Websites like Investopedia and financial apps like Mint can provide valuable tools and information. Start with a budget. Track your income and expenses to understand where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut costs and redirect those savings into investments. A well-structured budget helps you live within your means and avoid unnecessary debt. Saving is a critical component of financial management. Aim to save at least 20% of your income. Build an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses, ensuring you don't dip into your investments prematurely. High-yield savings accounts or money market accounts are good places to park your emergency fund. Investing wisely is where true wealth building begins. Start by educating yourself on different investment options, such as stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and retirement accounts like IRAs or 401ks. Diversify your investments to spread risk and increase potential returns. Remember, the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Consider starting a business as part of your investment strategy. Reinvest the profits from your side hustle into expanding the business or into other investment vehicles. This can create a cycle of growth and increasing returns. Mastering financial management and making informed investments are vital to building wealth. By creating a solid financial foundation and strategically growing your assets, you set yourself on a path to achieving millionaire status. Key points. Becoming a millionaire without a degree is entirely achievable through a combination of identifying your passions and strengths, committing to continuous self-education, starting and scaling a side hustle, networking effectively, and practicing smart financial management and investments. By following these steps and staying dedicated to your goals, you can build a successful and fulfilling career, proving that the path to financial freedom is not limited by formal education. Your journey to becoming a millionaire starts with the actions you take today.